Good morning, students. In last video, I explained the formats related to computation of taxable income under normal provisions. Okay, continue of that video. Today I am discussing the very important concept in calculation of tax liability of the company, that is deduction. Okay, the company can claim deduction under section 80G. Okay, there's a very important section is 80G. Say 80G related to the donations. Say if any individual or company donate the some fund for development of some activities, okay, related to that, the income tax 1961, they give some kind of provision to claim as a deduction. So when the income tax, the providing some kind of facilities for claiming deduction out of their profit, it is some kind of encouragement to the companies or individual to donate some more funds. From that, they can possible to claim as a deduction. Okay, along with that, the government also can possible to get some funds for development of some activities. Okay, so that in respect of that, the income tax authorities, they given this kind of provision to the companies and individuals to claim a deduction in section 80G. Okay, under that we will discuss some in detail. Okay, the first one, who can claim this deduction? Sir, any taxpayer, okay, whether it is a resident or not resident, they can claim deduction under section 80G. Okay, it's that deduction, that donation comes under the IT Act provision. So any resident or non-resident can possible to claim deduction. Next one, then how to make this donation? Okay, in which form? The companies or individual or any other associates can do that donation. See here, they specified that, IT specified that the mode of payment either in the cash form or check or demand draft. Okay, these they can use these forms at the time of what? Donating the amount. Then the very important thing that if individuals or company the pay the donating some amount, okay, in that situation, in the especially in the form of cash, the IT given the one strict provision, that is, if you are donating the amount in the form of cash, that not should be exceeds 2000. Is only applicable to what? In the form of cash. Okay, if it is exceeds, the donation exceeds 2000, such kind of donation is not eligible for claiming deduction. So that be careful for this provision. Any donation you are done, any amount you are donating as a donation in any kind of specified donations under the IT Act in the form of cash, that time it is not to be exceeds 2000. If it is exceeds, you will not get deduction under section 80G. Okay, so that is be careful for solving the problem also. Please check it out. If they given the donation in the problem, if it is given in the form of cash, that time please observe this element. You can't possible to give deduction if donation is donated in the form of cash more than 2000. Okay, next move on to the how much amount can possible to claim under 80G. Under 80G, how much amount? Okay, how much amount you donated, and that how much we can possible take as a deduction under section 80G. Okay, so the IT authority will identify some donations, nature of donations, that if you are donated that specific mentioned donation in the IT provisions, so you can claim either 100% or 50%. okay, without any limits, then subject to the limit. See, nothing but how much amount the company or individual donated. In that, the individual can possible to claim either 100% or 50% without limits, then subject to the limit. So what is here without limit deduction? For example, if you donated some specified activities, okay, then that is notified by the income tax authorities for 100% eligible for taking a deduction section 80G. Okay, in that you can deduct, you can claim deduction section 80G as a 100%. If the IT authority specified some activities, okay, in relation that if you have donated, in that situation you can claim 50% on how much you have donated. Then I will next I will explain, okay, how which are the donations comes under 100% limit and 50% limit. Okay, then next, what is this deduction subject to the limit? So deduction subject to the limit, nothing but here we to take the comparison value. Okay, on the comparison value we should be claim either 100% and 50%. Okay, we will discuss later this regarding about the how to calculate the donations in subject matter of a limit with 100% and 50%. Okay, before that we should be know which are the donations comes under without limit 100% and 50%, then deduction subject matter of to the limit that is 100% and 50%. Okay, so here majorly we can claim deduction in without limit and with limit. Okay, this is without limit, then with limit. In both the cases we have the provision that is 100% and 50%, but calculation is different. Okay, so first we will discuss which are the donations eligible for claiming 100%, 50% without any limit. Okay, see here, first I am discussing deduction under section 80G without limit related to the 100%. So here if we have here 3 columns, serial number, nature of donation, then deduction to the SSC on the basis of percentage. Okay, so this is the first one, that is National Defence Fund set up by the central government. Okay, that is 100%. Please remember the this nature of donation. If you are another National Defence Fund NDF, that time you can get 100%. Then Prime Minister National Relief Fund for 100%. Then Prime Minister American Earthquake Relief Fund, it is also 100%. Africa, that is a public contribution in fund, okay, from the India, that is 100%. National Children's Fund, it is also 100%. And you please note on this list, okay, in your notes, then you can possible to easily remember. Then at last I will give you some hints how to remember this 100% and 50% with limit, without limit, then and like that. The next National Fund for Communal Harmony, that is 100%. Then approved university education institution, national minister, that is 100%. Chief Minister Earthquake Relief Fund is very important one. Chief Minister Earthquake Relief Fund 100%. Okay, so on like this. Please note on this list. Okay, this also comes under for 100% list, along with the what fund set up the state government of Gujarat providing the relief to the victim of earthquake in Gujarat, that is 100%. Jilla Saksharta Samiti, it is 100%. National Board Transportation Council or State Blood, sorry, there is the National Blood Transmission Council or State Blood Transfusion Council, that is 100%. The next fund set up by the state government for the medical relief to the poor, this is 100%. Okay, like this, please note down this list. Okay, when you are note on this list, we can possibly remember easily. Okay. Then next Central Welfare Fund, Army of the Indian Naval Benevolent Fund, and or the Air Force Central Welfare Fund, like that. Then Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Cyclone Relief Fund, National Illness Assistance Fund, Chief Minister Relief Fund. Okay, and then next National Sports Fund, National Culture Fund, Technology Development and Applications for 100%. Okay, like this we have what 100% limits. So we have total 20 form of donation we can possible to claim 100%. Okay, this is related to what? Without limit 100% eligible for taking deduction in section 80G. Next one is there we have only 4. Okay, 50% eligible without limits. So without limit we have only 4 deductions without limit. That is Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund, then Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund 50%, then Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund 50%, then Rajiv Gandhi Foundation 50%. Okay, like this we have only 4 deductions, that is without limit. Okay, then how to can get member for this? We can remember for this. Okay, that is please observe here. Almost all Gandhi family is there, so that we can possible remember the deduction 50% without limits. Without limit, but how much you donated in this form of donation, and that directly we can possibly calculate 50%. Okay. Next we will discuss deduction available, that is 100%, 50% with subject matter of limit. Okay. Then we will discuss how to calculate limit. Okay. First we will discuss which are the donations comes under 100% subject to the limit. So here we have only 2, so that we can easily remember these 2. Okay, that is what? Deduction under section 80G with limit at 100%. Okay, that is one. The first one, donation to the government or any approved local authorities or institution or association to be utilized for the purpose of promoting family planning. Okay, you can easily remember that. Given the donation to the government or any approved local authority, very important one, approved local authorities or any institutions or association, but they should be utilized for what? Promoting the family planning. The word is very important, promoting the what? Family planning. That time we can claim 100% deduction with the subject matter of what? Limit. The subject matter of limit. Okay. Next one, the donation to the Indian Olympic Association. Okay, donation to the Indian Olympic Association for development of infrastructure facilities for sports, game, then sponsorships and all. Okay, for that this comes under what? 100% with limit. So this is only 2 donations comes under with limit at 100%. Okay, one is what? Giving some kind of donation to the government or local approved local authorities or institution association. They are engaging in what? Family planning, promoting the family planning. That is 100% with the limits. Then next one, any donation given to the Indian Olympic Association for the development of that infrastructure, the sports, games, for anything. Then this also comes under what? 100% with subject matter of limits. This is only 2. Okay. Then next we have 50% with the limit. Okay, 50% with the limit. Total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then what's the first one? The funds institution which satisfy the conditions of mentioned section 85G subsection 5. See here which is the condition specified in section 80G and 5. That if you are specified on that condition, on the basis of the conditions, we can possible to claim deduction in section ATG, that is a 50% with the limit. Okay, next one, donation to the government or local authorities for the purpose of utilization for any charitable purpose other than promoting the family plan. Nothing but you are donating to the local authorities, okay, for doing some kind of charitable activities, other than what, family planning activity. If you are donating the government or associations or any other local bodies for the purpose of promoting that family planning, that time is comes under 100% with limits. Other than family planning, when you are donating, that time this comes under what, 50% with the limit. 50% with limit. Nothing but in examination they will give donation to the charity or donation to the charitable trust. Okay, that in the situation that comes under where 50% eligible with limit. Okay, so that any donation given to the approved charitable institutions or donating the government the purpose of development of charitable activities, then this comes under 50% with the limit. Okay, in majority problem they will ask like this, donation to the charitable trust. The next, any authorities constituted in India for dealing with the satisfying needs of housing accommodation for the purpose of planning and developing of the town or village. Simple thing it is, we can easily remember that. If any institutions or authorities are engaging or registered, okay, for the development of what, township or village, in the situation you should, if you can give a donation or you can eligible for taking the deduction, the section 80G, that is 50% with limit. Okay, the next one, any corporation specified section 26BB for promoting interest of minority community. Simple thing it is, any corporation or any association, then they have some interest to promote the minority community. In the situation we can claim the 50% with limit. Next, if you are given any donation to the temple, mosque, gurudwara, church or any rituals, okay, in the situation we can possible to claim 50% with the limit. 50% with the limit. So easily we can remember this. How, in the sense, first one, 50% with the limit, that is any institution is satisfied the conditions of 80G subsection 5, then is 15%. Then any donations you provide into the promoting the charitable activities other than family planning, okay, that time it is 50% with the limits. Then any donation you're giving to the associations for development of housing accommodation, the way of setting the or development of the towns and village, that time 50%. Then you are giving the donation for any institutions or any corporation, that corporation engaging in the promoting the minority interest, that time 50%. Then any donation given to the notify, very important one, notify, nothing but approved one. Okay, notified temple, mosque, gurudwara, church, in that situation can claim 50%. Then in that very important one, renovation or repair purpose. When you are giving some donation for notified temple, mosque, gurudwara, church, okay, the purpose of what, renovation or repairs, that time we can claim for 50% with a limit. So we can easily remember these deductions. How, in the sense, first you should be have some little bit clarity about which are the comes under with the limit 100%. We have only two, correct? That we can easily remember. With the limit 100%, the first one, any donations given to the association or government or local body for promoting the what, family planning. So promoting the family planning, if you are donating, that is comes under with the limit 100%. Then to given any donation to the Indian Olympic Association for development of infrastructure and all, that time comes under 100% with the limit. Okay, we can possibly remember. Along with that, this one, the 50% with the limit. We have only few. Okay, And how we can possibly remember? The first one, if any funds given to the institution that satisfy conditions of ADGs in section 5. The second one, charitable trust. If I given the charitable trust donation given to the charitable trust, then any donation given to the development of or satisfying the needs of housing, providing the housing accommodation in the purpose of term planning ship. Okay, in that situation 50% with the limit. The next one, any donation provided to the development of interest of the minority community, 50%. Then given some kind of what donation to the notified, very important one, notified temple, mosque, then gurudwara, church, for the purpose of what? Repay or renovation, that is 50%. When you have the capacity to remember this with 100%, then with 50% eligible reductions, easily you can remember that what without limit 50%, because only we have four, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund, then Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund, then Indira Gandhi Memorial Fund, then Rajiv Gandhi Fund, only four. Okay, when you have the what clear idea about with 100%, with the limit 100%, without limit 50%. Then apart from this, which other donations comes under? That is what? 100%. Okay. Then next we will move on to how to calculate the eligible deduction amount under section 80G in case of with limit at 100% or 50%. Okay. For that, we need to be follow this procedure. Okay. This is only for what? We calculate for net qualify amount. Those donations comes under with the limit 100%, then with the limit 50%. How to calculate? Okay, we have only two steps. There is first one, 10% of adjusted gross total income. Remember this? Okay, 10% of adjusted gross total income. They should be compared to the donation or contribution made with the what? With the limit 100% or 50%. Okay, whichever is less. Nothing but the amount of 10% adjustment gross total income, then they should be compared with the actual donation, how much you are donated. Okay, in that it is limit no. So if it is 100%, take 100% amount, or if it is 50%, take 50% amount. Okay, on the donation. These two amounts will be compared. Among these two amounts, whichever is less, that is called as a what? Eligible deduction under section 80G with the limit. With the limit. Okay. In case of without limit 50%, 100%, there is no need. There is no need. There is no need. So that there is no need to calculate. So that directly take what? If it is 100% eligible, take 100%. 50%, go for 50%. Okay. In case of it is limit to the what? It is limited to the 100%, 50%. Then you need to be go for what? Like this calculation. That is 10% of adjusted gross total income and donation or contribution you made in that is 100%. If you take 100% amount, if it is 50%, take 50% amount. Among these two, whichever is less. Then how to get this adjusted gross total income? Okay, this is the way to calculate 10% of adjusted gross total income. I think already I discussed this regarding about how to get other gross total income. Say how to get other gross total income. While discussing the format under normal provision, I discussed how to get other gross total income. So how to get other gross total income? First one, you take income from house property, income from what business and profession. Then you should take short-term capital gain without STT. Then you need to take other source. Okay. For adding these, we get what? Other gross total income. Okay. From that income, deduct all type of deductions if they're in the problem. Okay. Or if the company is eligible for taking deduction, Okay, in that situation, first deduct that deduction amount from the other gross total income. Please remember that don't deduct ATG because we are calculating ATG, correct? No? So that except ATG, we should be deduct all type of deductions. It is the company is eligible for claiming from the gross total income. Then you will get what? Adjusted gross total income. Okay, once again, how to calculate 10% of adjusted gross total income? Simple one. First, we have to take other gross total income. From that other gross total income, should be deduct all type of deduction that the company have the eligibility to claim. Okay, except, very important one, except deduction in section 80G. Okay, then when you deduct that amount from the other gross total income, you will get adjusted gross total income. On this amount, calculate 10%. After calculating the 10%, okay, that amount compared to the donation contribution to the uh, contribution, that is whether it's 100% or 50%, that compare with the 10% of GTI, gross adjusted GTI, then we need to take whichever is least. Okay, this is the uh, way to calculate the donation with the limits and without limits. Okay, in examination they will provide one deduction under section 80G, either it is 100% or 50% or with and without limit. Okay, I hope you get the clarity how to claim deduction under section 80G. Okay, thank you.